Have you ever wondered why happiness sometimes feels just out of reach? Like it's something you have to chase, only to find out it's moved somewhere else the moment you get close? Yeah, I've been there too. The world loves to sell us the idea that joy comes from those big, shiny moments, graduations, dream jobs, exotic vacations. But let's be real, most of our lives are made up of small, ordinary days. The truth is, real joy isn't hiding in the future. It's quietly waiting for us, right here in the everyday. So how do I unlock that joy? It starts with my mornings. No, not scrolling through my phone first thing. That's a trap I've learned to avoid. Instead, I give myself just 5 minutes with a gratitude journal. It sounds simple, but jotting down 3 things I'm grateful for shifts my whole mindset. Then I move, maybe it's a stretch, maybe it's a quick walk. The point isn't to run a marathon, but to wake up my body and mind with intention. But life isn't always calm, right? That's where daily recharge rituals come in. Whenever I feel stress creeping in, I pause and take 60 seconds to breathe. Just deep, intentional breaths. I step away from screens, even if it's just for a few minutes, and let my mind clear out. And when it's time to eat, I slow down and actually taste my food. It's wild how much joy you can find in a quiet meal if you really pay attention. Nighttime is my secret weapon. Before bed, I take a minute to look back on the day. Big wins, small wins. Anything that made me smile. I bookend my day with gratitude, setting a positive intention for a good night's sleep. And before I drift off, I pick one thing to notice tomorrow, a single mindful moment I don't want to miss. Here's the thing, you don't have to overhaul your life overnight. I started with one tiny ritual and let it grow. The key is flexibility, adapting these practices to fit my life, not forcing myself into someone else's routine.